this Kickscooter, which is the Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max G30LP. Let's dive in and see what's inside, shall we? So here's the scooter, and it looks like we have some assembling to do. So the scooter is very easy to assemble. You just got to put the screws in once you put the handlebars inside it, and you also have to just lock the latch. So we have a power source right here, so let's charge the scooter so we can see what it does for us. It has 10-inch real tires, and it also has a 6.5-hour fast charging cable. It has an IPX5 water resistant, and also it has a range of 25 miles. You can go up to 18.6 miles per hour max speed, but while you're charging, this display on the front shows you that it's almost done charging, and the numbers say that it's 68% done. So to start the scooter, you first have to download the Segway app to set it up. I already set it up and connected all the Bluetooth stuff, and it also indicates you that you're already connected to a phone. Here it shows you your battery, your range, and the total kilometers you went. You can also lock it through your phone, and there's also modes that you can control through the phone app. So let's take it for a spin. But wait, we have to put on a helmet. Gladly, Segway sells helmets for kids and adults. Now we can ride it. With the Kickscooter, there are 3 modes: Eco, Drive, and Sport. So I'm going to drive in Eco first, and to start it, you just have to take out the stand, kickstart it, press the throttle on the right to go. So the scooter gives you a feel of such a nice ride, and you truly feel that it's a really good scooter. There's 3 modes that you can drive: Eco, Drive, and Sport. The different modes have a different range of speed. The Eco one goes up to 8 miles per hour. The Drive one goes to 13 miles per hour, and the Sport one goes to 18 miles per hour. Personally, I would drive in Eco or Drive. So on the scooter's front display, it shows you how fast you're going, and there's also a built-in ringer. Also, if you want to fold your Segway scooter and want to bring it somewhere, you pull out this thing, you put that down, and then it will just roll here all the way to the back where there's a little latch here. And on your bars, there's also a little latch here where you can just connect it so it's locked. And then you can take it anywhere you want.